Retech farming, we are now in Vietnam. This is our 𝐻 layer project in Ho Chi Minh City. So you can see this is 𝐻 6 tiers, 6 row layer cage, fully automatic system. This house is around 120 meters long and 80 meters wide. So you can see that this is the 3 tiers plus 3 tiers. So between in the middle there are catwalks. This is the 𝐿-free comes with an automatic lighting system. This is a fully automatic feeding, drinking, manure cleaning, and environment control. All the 𝐾𝐮𝐵 is hot galvanized steel, so the quality is very good. This insurance lifespan is more than 15 to 20 years, so it's very good quality. It's almost finished installation. This is a 𝐾𝐮-free. This is our automatic lighting system, and in the front side you can also see our smart environment control system. So here, between the 3 tiers plus 3 tiers, so there's supposed to be the catwalk here, so people can pass through here to inspection the chickens.